Have you ever been stuck carrying around a work phone, a personal phone, and maybe even a separate fax line for good measure? It's a juggling act most of us can relate to, and it can be a real drag on productivity. Thankfully, the world of business communications has come a long way. Cloud-based solutions are streamlining the way we connect with colleagues and clients, offering features that would blow our past selves away. One of the leading players in this space is RingCentral, a name synonymous with unified communications. But with so many companies offering similar services, a question pops up. Is RingCentral actually part of AT&T? The answer, like most things in business, is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of partnerships, rebranding, and the ever-evolving landscape of communication technology. RingCentral, the cloud communication powerhouse. RingCentral established itself as a major force in the cloud communications industry. Their platform boasts a suite of features that integrate seamlessly, allowing users to make calls, hold video conferences, send messages, and collaborate, all from one unified hub. Think crystal clear voice calls, high-definition video meetings that feel like you're all in the same room, and instant messaging that keeps everyone on the same page. Plus, it's all accessible from any device, anywhere in the world. This flexibility and feature-rich environment are why RingCentral has become a go-to option for businesses of all sizes. The AT&T connection, a strategic alliance. Now, here's where AT&T enters the picture. Back in 2018, these two giants formed a strategic partnership. The goal? To leverage RingCentral's powerful platform and integrate it with AT&T's vast network infrastructure. The result was a new service called AT&T Office at Hand. This combined offering brought RingCentral's features to AT&T's business customers, giving them a robust, cloud-based communication solution with the backing of a trusted network provider. This partnership was mutually beneficial. RingCentral gained access to a wider market through AT&T's established network, while AT&T could offer its customers a cutting-edge communication solution. So, is RingCentral owned by AT&T? Here's the key takeaway. RingCentral remains an independent company, with its own board of directors and development team. They're not owned by AT&T. The partnership between the two companies is a collaboration, designed to offer a specific service, AT&T Office at Hand, to a particular customer segment. Beyond AT&T Office at Hand, the evolving landscape, the partnership between RingCentral and AT&T has continued to evolve. They've worked together to enhance AT&T Office at Hand with new video conferencing features and deeper integration with other AT&T services. However, it's important to remember that RingCentral also offers its own suite of services directly to businesses, independent of AT&T. Choosing the right communication solution. Whether RingCentral is the right fit for your business depends on your specific needs. If you're already a satisfied AT&T customer and value the convenience of a bundled service, then AT&T Office at Hand might be a great option. But if you prioritize complete control and access to the full range of RingCentral's features, then going directly with RingCentral might be the better choice. The future of business communication. One thing is certain. The cloud-based communication revolution is here to stay. With constant innovation and strategic partnerships like the one we've discussed, businesses will have access to ever more powerful tools to connect, collaborate, and thrive in today's fast-paced world. So, ditch the juggling act and explore the possibilities of cloud communication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.